All right, folks. Any trades? No trades on this one either. All right. What's going on, everybody? Conroy here from Mojobreak.com for Sunday, February 6, 2022. We're doing another Super Bowl square break. 6-box half case of 2021 Topps Chrome Black Baseball. Random team style number 1. We just do your teams are no trades. Good look. Coming up next, we got another Super Bowl square break. 4 o'clock is going to be the Mosaic Choice and Chronicles Hobby Basketball 2-box random. That is coming up next. Team names real quick for my spreadsheet. Yeah. Hello, hello. All right, let's start with the base of Garrett Cole for the Yankees. Lucas Giolito for the White Sox. And the blue refractor parallel base is Elvis Andrus for the Athletics. 16 out of 75 for Oakland. First base parallel going out to Oakland. God damn, these top loaders suck. Elvis Andrus. All right, your first encased auto, uncirculated auto is going to the Dodgers. 116 out of 150. Keibert Ruiz rookie auto. Dodgers J-Rod, first auto. All right, we got a Matt Chapman for Oakland, Miguel Cabrera, Detroit, and Atomic Kyle Seager, green Atomic refractor, Seattle. 76 out of 99 on the Kyle Seager. Kyle Seager, yo. Sieg. 76 of 99. Second uncirculated auto. This is going to be Ricky Henderson for Oakland. 6.5. Let's go. Oakland, Matt Mack. Ricky Henderson auto. Oh boy, Ricky. Non-numbered on that one. Box 3. Chrome, baby. Chrome, baby. All right. Pack number 13. Jake Cronenworth, rookie. Jazz Chisholm. And a purple refractor, Jack Flaherty for St. Louis. 60 out of 150 on the purple. Flaherty, 60 of 150. Uncirculated auto number 3. Non-numbered. Evan Rodriguez. Avon Rodriguez. That's going out to Texas. Yvonne Rodriguez, Rangers. Try to see who had Texas. DBS. Vet hit. Box 4. Trey Mancini, Bryce Harper base card, and purple refractor Freddie Freeman for the Braves. That's 95 out of 150, Atlanta. $150. All right. Uncirculated auto, orange refractor, 23 of 25, Merrifield. Wood Merrifield for Kansas City. Are you sure it's Ivan? Because I've said Ivan before and people corrected me. They're like, it's not Ivan, bro. I was like, okay. Cool. Kansas City Royals, by the way. Taylor C. Dylan Carlson. Shane Bieber refractor. That's how I've always said his name. I've always said Ivan for the last like 5-6 years, and then every now and then somebody's like, "You're saying it wrong, bro." I'm like, "Oh, okay, I guess." I've always called him Ivan Rodriguez. And Frank Thomas for the White Sox. Nice vet hit. It's all vet this half case. All good vets though. W. Lou, White Sox. Chicago. All right, last box of the break. Luis Castillo, Luis Camposano, and a refractor of Jose Ramirez for Cleveland. 91 to 199, Cleveland Guardians. Jose. And the last auto of the break. And that's another vet. Ramagnan for the Brewers. Milwaukee. Ryan I. Got the last hit. Non-numbered on that one too. Brew Crew. All right, everybody. That was the second break for the day. Second Super Bowl square break. That was 6-box half case of Topps Chrome Black Baseball. Random teams #1. Congrats to everybody that got a nice parallel or auto. Again, this is the Super Bowl square spots will be posted up before the Super Bowl. Probably by next Saturday, everything will be randomed and posted up on the site. The link for the page is on the product page, so that's probably where the grids, Super Bowl grids, will actually be posted as well. So keep checking back on that link. Again, the 12 spots from this break are going to be in grid 2, and then the other 18 names will be on grid number 3, just in case you're looking for your spots on the Super Bowl squares next week. We got another Super Bowl square break up next. It's going to be a basketball 2-box mixer, Mosaic Choice, and Chronicles Hobby. Let me set up that random. It's Friday night, Super Bowl. Friday night. The Leighton $15,000 break looks pretty sick too, but that looks like a pretty sick break, but it's 15,000 a spot, so good luck to everybody that joins that one. It should be a really fun break though, for those that have $15,000 laying around. I saw that there's like a case of like 2017 Immaculate. I was like, damn, it's a case of 2018 NT. By the way, 2018 National Treasures for me was the best year of National Treasures in recent memory. Like, I don't know why, but 2018 was like so good. That was the not just because of the draft class, but just the product itself. There were so many like nice hits in every single box for the most part. Like you would always get either a really sick veteran or one of the big rookies. That was the Lamar Jackson, Josh Allen, Baker Mayfield rookie year. 2018 National Treasures is legit. And it does look like we have one box of 2018 NT in our big mixer too, so I'm pretty excited about that. Hopefully I can break that one. It's probably going to be me, Doug, and Dan. Probably, or maybe just me and Doug doing that one on Friday night.